Hey, this is Rosario with a quick video on Gradebook. I had a couple questions about adding an assignment versus adding a test or a quiz or adding a grade column. So if we go to the add button here, so if you have something that's in Schoology, whether it's a assignment or a test or quiz, then you should put on there add assignment, add test or quiz. But if you have something that's like a worksheet, so I'll just kind of show you if I add, let's say this inequalities worksheet, it's on homework. So if I create this here, it shows up in the gradebook just fine, but it also shows up on the page. So I know some teachers are just making a folder and putting all these in the folder, which is fine. I just wouldn't do it that way. So if I end up deleting this, like, well, this is a worksheet, why is there an assignment in Schoology? Teachers are deleting this, and then that goes in and deletes it from their gradebook as well. So that's gone from their gradebook now. So then they're freaking out about their grades disappearing. If you're putting in an assignment that is not a Schoology assignment, you're going to add a grade column instead. And I'm doing this for any worksheets I'm doing, even like paper quizzes and paper tests. If you just do this, it still shows up in the gradebook as normal. There it is. And then it doesn't show up in the bottom column there on your courses, so then you don't have to worry about that.